Welcome to Thalassa. Situated in the beautiful village of Charmouth, Thalassa gets its origins from the Greek word for sea, vastness of ocean, tranquility. It's a perfect name for this beautiful coastal home. So our clients designed this beautiful home, 3,000 square feet of living accommodation, to the exacting standards. It offers multi-generational living. We're actually a reverse property, so we have bedrooms on the ground floor, living accommodation on the first floor, but wonderfully they've thought of everything. We've got a lift, so if you want to protect your future generational living, we can do it here. But everything orientates around the beautiful views. So we have these breathtaking views over the World Heritage Jurassic Coastline, across to Portland Bill and Golden Cap. Come and take a look. Another great example of how much thought has gone into the design of this property is the fact that your two principal bedrooms on the ground floor have French doors onto the terrace. What better place to have your morning cup of coffee? Another thoughtful design feature is the fourth bedroom, which can also be a study. It has an ensuite, but wonderfully links directly to the back garden. So we talked about the lift earlier. It's such a clever idea. It future-proofs, but it's also a convenient way to get shopping up to the first floor. Our clients have really thought about everything. Energy efficiency, of course, is a consideration. So we have triple glazing, incredibly high levels of insulation. We have a photovoltaic system with a 10 kilowatt battery system, a mechanical air ventilation system. So it's really been carefully considered to ensure heating costs are low, but it's also incredibly comfortable. Let's not forget to talk about the outside and the garden. So Thalassa stands in just under 0.4 of an acre. We've got plenty of parking and turning, double garaging, beautiful landscape terrace gardens that really do allow you to make the most of that view.